So, what else? I don't know. Let's start over. What else? I don't know. You tell me, lady in the blue. Hi guys, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Today we're making pasta. As you can see, I love pasta, but I'm going to make it healthier. I'm gonna healthify it. We're making a green pasta, so it's slightly healthier. I'm using kale, steamed kale, and I'm going to do a very good creamy sauce. And I'm using whole grain pasta. It can be spelt or buckwheat. The creaminess will come from tofu and a vegan spread. And that's about it. Let's get started. Cook over boiling water 200 grams of curly kale along with 3 cloves of garlic. Carefully transfer the cooked kale and garlic straight into the food processor. Meanwhile, add pasta to salted boiling water. Add 100 grams of plain tofu to the food processor, some lemon juice, 1 big tablespoon of any kind of vegan sunflower spread for creaminess, and basil. Drain the pasta and save up some pasta water to thin out the green sauce if needed. Add salt and pepper to the food processor and mix until smooth. Add a splash of pasta water and mix until super creamy. Add pasta to a bowl and cover with the sauce. Serve with extra tofu or parmesan if not vegan. Add a big drizzle of good olive oil. This is a big plate of pasta, but I can finish it. I promise you that. Watch me. I can't wait to try it. It smells delicious. So creamy and so good for you. You have to try this recipe. I'm gonna finish it.